In this video, I'm going to show you how to defrag your hard drive within Windows 10. First, we're going to go to the bottom left corner where it says type to search and type in the word defrag. As you can see, defragment and optimized drives is at the top of our list. Let's click to run. We can see we have a couple drives here, and they are both media type hard disk drive. If it is a hard disk drive, we are good to continue. If it does not say hard disk drive, please do not defrag the drive. Now we are going to select our system drive, which is the C drive, and we're going to go ahead and click Analyze. This will not defrag the drive, but simply see how fragmented it is. It is finished, and we can see that it is 2% fragmented, so this drive does not need to be defragged. The general rule of thumb is that if it is 10% or under, we do not need to defrag, but if it is 11% or above, to go ahead and to select your drive and click Optimize to defrag your hard drive. Now down below, we can see our scheduled optimization is on. So let's go ahead and click on Change Settings. It is currently set to a weekly, and if it is missed more than 3 consecutive times, it'll be set as a increased task priority. I generally set this to monthly, but you may leave it as weekly if you like. Now the general rule of 10% comes directly from Microsoft on their support.microsoft.com website. Under step 3, second paragraph, we can see that once Windows is finished analyzing the disk, you can check the percentage of fragmentation on the disk in the last run column. If the number is above 10%, you should defragment the disk. And that is how you defrag your hard drive inside of Windows 10. This has been a video by nephew.tech.com, and I hope you've learned something.